RSLS stock analysis and price predictions. Here's a buy. Watch the short 1 minute video till the end, find out. So I've been looking at ReShape Lifesciences. It is 21% now, which is solid and sick. Let's look at it from a broader picture though. Now, I've been making videos for 4.5 years, spent 5 figures on courses and mentors, and have more proof document than anyone else with 39,000 videos. Generally speaking, this is still one heck of a bearish range for me. Although we have on Friday, you know, on paper we've gone up 21%. I mean, no doubt around this. I mean, boom, pumped up like crazy, and I'm still looking to take things out, and this is a very solid one if there is a shift. And people are still gonna overcomplicate this stuff, but now unless I see this, bro, I'm just gonna be so out of the way, you know, like I'm not even gonna look to take things down. But yeah, that's just my bias, you know, like maybe if rules are met sick, but I'm just gonna show up here, show up to draw, and if something sticks, yeah, maybe then long. Other than that, it's all noise. If you want to stay more, if you want to make more money trading in a simple way, click the first link in the description. That's free sauce, and I will see you in the next one.